Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're working with Google Sheets, you might have encountered hidden rows that are making your spreadsheet look messy or hard to navigate. In this quick tutorial, we'll cover how to unhide rows in Google Sheets for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Google Sheets document and locate the hidden rows. You'll notice a thicker line or gap between the row numbers, which indicates that rows are hidden. To unhide them, start by selecting the rows around the hidden ones. For example, if rows 5 through 7 are hidden, click and drag to select row 4 and row 8. Once selected, right-click on the highlighted area. From the context menu that pops up, look for the option that says Unhide Rows and click on it. Poof! The hidden rows should reappear instantly. If you prefer using the menu bar, go to the View tab at the top, then hover over Hidden Sheets. In some versions, it's under View, greater than Hidden Rows, and select Unhide Rows from there. This method works great if you're dealing with multiple hidden sections. Now, a quick pro tip. If you're on a keyboard-heavy workflow, check for shortcuts like Ctrl+Shift+9 on Windows or Command+Shift+9 on Mac, though these might vary slightly by device. Also, remember that rows might be hidden accidentally, so double-check your selections to avoid errors. And there you have it. Unhiding rows in Google Sheets is that simple. This feature helps keep your data organized and easy to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.